Hello guys, so yeah, welcome back to today mathematics class for this incoming WAEC, JAMB, NECO, and POST UTME, also non-test examination. If you're just joining us, thank you and God bless you. My name is Makiwa Ideji Anto. This is my picture. You can see with me here. This is my picture. I was unable to do this camera because I have one issue with this camera. So that is why I was unable to display the camera for you guys to see me. I'm sorry for that. In the next video, I will definitely open my camera. My name is Makiwa Ideji Anto. I'm founder of Macosh.com.engine. I'm teaching online for over 4 years now, and I will help a lot of students. So, okay, I would like to know you more. I'd like to know you more. Please, you can go to the comment section. Let me know where you're watching my video from. Let me know your states, your name, your states, and also the departments. I mean the what I mean by departments. I mean by the maybe your art class or you are science class or commercial class. You can let me know in the comment section. So without wasting much of time, I'm going to introduce you this our learning system. It is called the daily learning task system, that is DLTS. So under this session, this is our first class to be treating under this mathematics lesson for this upcoming WAEC NECO JAMB post-system examination. So we are going to be diving into these topics. I picked this topic because it's the first topic that was being released from the white syllabus. White syllabus, JAMB syllabus, NECO syllabus, and native syllabus, they are almost the same. Okay, they are almost the same. It's just like the interchange. Maybe you should treat this one for this week. The first topic is just different, but the all the topic we have in your all the topic we have in your white is the same thing the topic you have in your JAMB. Okay, so do not joke with this part. So these are first syllabus. In the first topic we'll be treating, and in this topic it's called number-based system. Can you just echo that? Number-based system. And from this lesson, you will be able to learn this lesson divided into 4 modules. It's divided into 4 modules. So let me show you. It's divided into 4 modules. It's divided into 4 modules. The first module will be discussing about the conversion in number basis. We'll discuss conversion in number basis. You will learn how to convert in number basis. And in the first lesson, we'll be discussing about conversion from base 10 to base to other bases. We learn how to convert from other bases for base 10 to other bases. And the second lesson is talking about conversion from other bases to base 10. And in the third lesson on module 1, we got conversion from other bases to another basis that is not base 10 at all. So that is all for base 1. And every class has its own classwork to do and also assignment to do. So let's go to the second module. What we'll be learning in the second module. In the second module, we'll be discussing about the arithmetic in number-based system. Okay, arithmetic in number-based system. And the first lesson we'll be discussing about an addition of number bases. We'll learn how to add a number in number-based system. And in the second lesson, we'll be discussing about subtractions of number bases. Okay, we'll discuss about subtraction of number bases. And the third module will be discussing about multiplication in number bases. And the fourth lesson will be discussing about division in number bases. So in the third module, we'll be talking about equation involving number bases. Okay, equation involving number bases. And under this module, you will learn the simple equation in number bases, how to solve simple equation in number bases. And the second one will be discussing about the simultaneous linear equation in number bases, how to solve simultaneous linear equation in number bases. And in the first module, which is the last module under this topic, it is called miscellaneous cases. In this miscellaneous cases, that is where you will be learning what problem leads into number basis. Okay, what problem leads into number basis. So if you want to join our daily mathematics class, you can let me know by go to the comment section. Let me know your name and just comment the keyword I want to join the class. So I will add you to our class, or go to the comment section You'll see a link that directs you to our WhatsApp group. We have it in two ways. Our class is in two ways. We have the free member and we have the VIP member. For our free member, they just have limited access to our platform. Limited access to our platform. So though they'll be receiving daily mathematics lesson, using daily mathematics lesson, but it has a limit. But for our VIP class, they will have the ability to join our master class where they can ask different questions, where we support them, and we assign them classwork and we assign them assignment to do until we submit. And this will be taken in CBT format. And if we have any question, we answer them in a very class. So that is master class. We take them the step by step and how to solve mathematics question in in any kind of examination. So if you'd like to join any of our platform, you can check the comment section. You'll see the link directing to our WhatsApp group. You can contact the admin there. Either you want to join the VIP class or you want to join the free member. So you can join us. Let us learn together. Or visit www.macro.com.ng. Charge this number base there. You'll see the answers to this class. Also, contact me, or this is my two of my number. Please don't call. Just contact me on WhatsApp. Okay, contact on WhatsApp. I will respond to you immediately. So let's move to the first module and let's discuss about the first module.